Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a new swatch and review video for you guys from the two new Essence palettes. These are $6.99 each and there are 9 colors in each palette. There are 4 palettes in total, but I only received these two. Like, not only, I'm like really grateful I actually got them because they look pretty cool. And this one is the Good Day Sydney eyeshadow palette. This is the 01, so it is the first one out of 4. It has quite a big mirror inside, sorry, I was stumbling, and there are 9 colors in total, so that top row contains like loads of very wearable colors, so you can make a lovely like brownish smoky eye with that, and have a really nice creamy like highlighting color as well without any shimmer. And that top like row has more of like the foily metallic-y kind of colors. But let's just swatch the first 4 colors, and these are all like very neutral and very wearable. And I'm just going to swatch these with my bare fingers. I did sanitize my fingers and hands and arm on forehand. There isn't any primer on my skin or anything like that, so these are just pure swatches. This is like what you see is what you get, applied with my finger at least. I have to say, applying stuff with brushes may seem a little bit different on the skin, especially on the eye, so some colors you might have to pat in a little bit more, but as you can see, just a light touch in the pan, especially those metallic kind of colors, these are bomb. They are super pigmented. I have to mention that the matte colors by Essence are always a little bit less pigmented and a little bit like, how do you say that? Like ashy? Not really ashy, but they're a little bit more powdery. Let's just put it to that. But I don't feel like you have that much fallout when you apply it with a brush, especially when you pat on the color with a flat eyeshadow brush. You won't have any issues with fallout whatsoever. But this was the first palette already. I have to say I love that there are 5 neutral shades in there, and you can really spice it up with the 4 shimmery colors as well. They are very metallic and you either love them or you hate them, and personally I love them. And yeah, I have to say 9 shades for $6.99. I think it's a pretty good deal. They are in the regular like Essence collection from this month on, so you might be able to find them in stores already. But the second palette I got is the Hello New York eyeshadow palette. This is the 3rd one. There also is one I guess from Paris, and the other one I actually can't remember, so sorry about that. But I really love the packaging of this New York one. It is super holographic, again a big mirror in there, and 9 beautiful shades. The previous palette, the Good Day Sydney one, was very warm. I feel like this New York one is a lot more cooler, or like cold toned, if you want to call it that. I got a couple of questions about that gray color, but I feel like it isn't super pigmented. It is quite matte, but it is a very cool light gray color. I think that light gray will look best on top of a creamy white base. This palette contains a lot of light shades and some really cool duochrome colors as well. As you can see right here, the 4th color is very beautiful, like a light lilac with a beautiful blue shimmer to it. So they are kind of like duochrome, sometimes a little bit multichrome depending on what kind of lighting you're looking at it. But I have to say they all look pretty cool. That eggplant kind of color, like the second one from left on the bottom row, I really love that color. It is quite dark, but I feel like it will suit a lot of different skin colors as well. And yeah, I just really like it. It is, in my opinion, a whole lot colder than the Good Day Sydney palette. There are some really cool duochrome colors in there. I love that. You could easily apply those in the inner corner of the eye or as a brow bone highlighter, but even as a highlighter on the face as well, if you ask me. I think it is a very cool palette. The first color, like that very white-ish color, has a beautiful sparkle in there as well, so I think that will be really beautiful as a highlighter too. But yeah, I think this is my fave palette from the two, but the Good Day Sydney one has a beautiful like metallic blue, and that greenish gold color is just to die for. It is super pigmented. But yeah, I got these from a PR package, but I'm not sponsored in any way to make this video. I just really love Essence Cosmetics. They have great prices, like great value, and just, yeah, I just really love the products. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.